picture with Maddie.
I see that, Tommy.
Yes. Thanks. Joy and Maddie.
Run first?
Yes.
He just warmed up a little with Maddie and Alexandra.
Alexandra Joy.
It was cute.
All right.
Nice shirt.
Thank you.
That one.
All right.
Huh.
Hello.
Hi.
Tommy, this is Jake. He's going to paddle with you
Hey,
today.
Jake.
Oh, cool.
Hey, Jacob. Jacob who?
Jacob Goddard.
Goddard. How old are you now, Jacob?
16.
What's birthday?
May 30th.
8/30th.
May 30th.
May 30th, 1997. No, alright.
Your race is at 9:35 and you are lane 2, I think. I'm going to double check.
Oh, she's good, eh?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you excited about your race, Tommy?
Yes, Mommy.
Is Jacob gonna be your guide?
Yes.
Good.
I like Jacob.
I do too. He seems nice.
Yes. No.
Where is Tommy though? I don't see him.
Tommy. Okay.
Good luck, Tom. Good luck. Ready to race, Tom?
Okay, I got a sign. That's his word. Hey, Jacob, I'm over.
Have fun.
And you stay on the right, eh, Tom? Because the other guys are coming in. So right, right, right.
Good job.
From Reno, Adam Laforet. Lane 3 from Pickering Rouge, Vikram.
Already overcrowded.
And lane 4 from Pickering Rouge is Richard Freeland. Lane 5 from Carlton Place, Gerald Clark. And lane 6 from Chima, Matthew Hunter. Shawinigan, Simon Ricard Ballet is lane 7. And keep your eye on lane number 8, Tommy DeBrize. He likes to go right to the dock. So cheer loud and proud for Tommy
Last year he didn't
DeBrize,
stop.
lane 8. And Adam Laforet is in close lane number 2 on the inside by the tower. No final lane assignment for heat number 2, the Open Men's K1 200-meter ID.
And then,
Get this 200
oh, there they go.
race on. Thanks very much.
Let's go, Matt!
And look at that on the outside. Here goes Tommy DeBrize. He's just warm up right now.
Just in the white boat.
Yeah, closest.
Let's go, Matt!
He's in.
And Carlton Place, Daryl Clark is in 5. Pickering Rouge, Richard Freeland from 4.
Good job, Matt!
Lane number 3. And
Let's go, Matt!
Adam Laforet.
I guess so, yeah. Let's go, Matt! Let's go, Chima!
Let's go, Matt!
Go, Tommy!
Let's go, Matt!
Let's go, Matt!
Go, Tommy!
Let's go, Matt! Finish it! Good job, Matt! Let's go, Matt! Good job, Matt!
He's holding up his paddle like a silly guy. Hey, Tommy.
I raced with Jacob today.
Did Jacob help you?
Yes, he did.
I saw you win the race.
Yes.
I videoed you.
Yeah, I need some sunglasses.
Oh yeah, sunglasses would be good. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah. And
Cheyenne
Hey, Graham.
Ferguson.
yeah, Cheyenne. Frank. Hey, there's Frank.
Guillaume?
Frank Guillaume. He does look a little like Guillaume.
Oh, there's a runner named Guillaume that
he's a
Tommy's
skier.
running.
Your name
with.
is Francis?
Yes.
I mean,
Frank.
Francis?
Francis.
I mean,
You're not francophone, are you?
no.
No.
Jacob.
Is it Francois?
Jake and
This is Francis Desrosiers.
Oh, it is
I'm
Francis.
French,
okay.
but I'm not
Frankie.
Okay.
French.
Okay, very good. Neither does Tommy, so that
That's
works out.
fine.
It's good.
Yeah.
What is your old favorite sports, Frank?
Kayaking.
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 Mine too.
Oh, yes.
Your old favorite sport. What is your new? Do you have a new favorite sport?
My old favorite sport is running.
So it's all kayaking. Oh,
I think your beard's almost longer than mine now, Tommy.
yeah, it almost is.
Pretty close.
Pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah, Deli Belly.
Read on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Rito! Hey!
I have no idea.
Jacob?
How's it going?
That's fine, Jacob. Good to see
I
you.
just turned. Good luck, Tom Tom. Love you. This is his card.
Oh, great. Disney
So-
enthusiast involved.
Kind of his. Oh, here he goes. He's in the white kayak.
He's always had a good stroke rate. I remember that.
200 meters. From Viking in lane 1, Matthew Brotherwood. Lane 2 from Chima, Matthew Hunter.
He looks like he's
3
doing
from
good.
Pickering, Richard Freeland. 4 from Chima, Tyler Settle. 5 from Rito, Tommy DeBride. 6 from Kit Meadows, Corey Stewart.
Go, Tommy!
Simon
Go, Tommy!
Go, Tommy, go! Go, Tommy, go! Go, Tommy! Go, Tommy! Go, Tommy, go!
Oh, this guy.
Go, Tommy, go! Go, Tommy, go! Woo! Good job, Tommy! Woo!
Nice work.
I gotta go because he may or may not. Nice to see you too. So the other guy's finishing. Okay. Bye, Sarah. Close. It was so close.
Nice job, Tom Tom.
Good race. What?
Yeah, you did great.
What did he say? There's
Yes,
the
you
winner.
did.
Did you congratulate him? Oh, you will on the podium.
Yes.
Where's Rebecca? Where's Rebecca?
What's that?
Where's Rebecca?
I don't know.
I don't see her.
You got it back. You got the wrong end.
Woo, there's Kim. Yay!
Did Rebecca take her boat away?
I don't know.
I think so.
I don't know where she went. Tommy, that's Richard.
Yeah, you raced it.
He's from near Toronto.
Here.
So did you finish? Were you,
My first 2 years.
were you third, Richard?
Yeah. I
Medal.
thought I would get faster, but
You never know, eh? That's a fast guy, the guy
A
that
lot of
won.
wind today.
yeah, I'm usually good in a headwind.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're strong, right? So.
Yeah, you look strong. How did you feel, Tommy, in the race?
I'm fine, mommy.
Good. You paddled very fast. How did you feel, Richard?
I'll tell you once I stop. Once I catch my breath.
You what?
I'll tell you once I catch my breath.
Okay. Perfect.
Oh, look at these guys.
I felt good.
Good. You're doing a good job waiting, Tom.
Thanks, mommy.
Are you going to stand on there and get your medal? Go, Rito! Go, Rito! No, Behind?
Behind. Step down.
Good job.
In third place, bronze medalist en troisième position, médaille de bronze, de Pickering Rouge, Richard Freeland.
That's what they always say, right? It was 10 more meters. No, it's almost more.
In second place, silver medalist en deuxième position, médaille d'argent, de Rive, Tommy DeBride.
Woo! Yay, Tommy!
Thanks, man.
And in first place, gold medalist and Canadian champion en première position, médaille d'or et champion canadien, de Pitt Meadows, Corey Stewart. Félicitations à tous nos médaillés. Congratulations to our medalists.
We can get you guys up.
Tommy, get up.
Perfect.
Great job. Way to go. Woo-hoo.
What's the news? Oh my God.
Yay! Okay, I'm going to take a still of you guys. Hold on.
Teammates, I found my first race.
Oh, nice. Cool.
She wasn't able to make the race.
Congratulations, Tommy. Congratulations.
Are you his mother?
I am his mother.
Yes.
We met a few years ago in Welland.
Right.
Welland. Long time ago.
I wasn't there. I was away with my older son, so I missed that one. And my husband was in charge of videoing, and his videos looked like this. They're going to go to your YouTube channel, Tommy, and watch last year in Halifax and 2 years ago in Welland.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Richard and his funky paddle.
All right.
Bye, Richard. Okay.
We're doing a K2 now.
Bye.
Tommy, I'm very proud.
Thanks, Mommy.
Yeah.
I know.
We're leaving Montreal.
What do you mean?
Going home.
Going home.
Yeah, we're going home. What you eating, Tom?
Celery.
Celery, that's healthy. Did you
Yes.
have fun at the Nationals?
Nationals.